Welcome to AutoCove. Today, we're diving into a truly exciting new player in the electric luxury sedan market, the Maestro S800, a product of a collaboration between Huawei and Jack. If you're someone who appreciates luxury technology and the finest materials, this review is for you. Let's explore whether the Maestro S800 is truly the contender to rival the likes of Maybach, Rolls-Royce, and Bentley, or if it's just another ambitious effort from China. The Maestro S800 is the debut model of a new luxury electric vehicle brand. Maestro, created by Huawei, one of the biggest names in tech, and Jack, a prominent Chinese automaker. This marks the first product under the HiMa project, which sees Huawei teaming up with multiple manufacturers to deliver luxury EVs that target the most prestigious global brands. Set to launch in spring 2025, something truly special, but does it manage to differentiate itself from its European rivals, or does it borrow too much from the established names in luxury design? A familiar yet bold approach. One of the first things you'll notice about the Maestro S800 is its sheer size. Measuring 1,480 mm (15.7 inches) in length and boasting a 3,307 inches wheelbase, this sedan commands presence on the road. It rivals the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class in dimensions, though it falls slightly short of the Rolls-Royce Ghost and Phantom. However, when it comes to design, the S800 plays it a little safe. Its overall shape and style borrow heavily from European luxury sedans. The disc wheels scream Rolls-Royce, while the chrome-accented lower bumper feels more like a Bentley. The rear end even reminds you of the Porsche Panamera, with its slightly hunchbacked stance. While these familiar cues create a sense of instant luxury, they also make the S800 feel. The starry sky roof, reminiscent of Rolls-Royce's iconic feature, gives the cabin a magical ambiance. Inside, you can expect high-quality materials used for upholstery, and if tech is your thing, the AI-powered assistance system and Level 3 autonomous driving features are sure to impress. What's even more exciting is the Tuling intelligent chassis that powers the Maestro S800, promising a highly responsive driving experience with cutting-edge electric powertrain technology. While we're still waiting on full specs, it's clear that Huawei is taking tech. The Maestro S800 is packed with cutting-edge Huawei technology, and with the Tuling intelligent chassis, it's set to offer Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, making it more than just a luxury vehicle. Expect top-tier integration with Huawei's ecosystem, providing seamless interaction between your car and smart devices. While details on the electric powertrain are still under wraps, the S800 promises a refined driving experience. Given that the brand is aiming squarely at high-end competitors like the BMW i7 and Mercedes-Benz EQS, we can expect the S800 promises a refined driving experience. Given that the brand is aiming squarely at high-end competitors like the BMW i7 and Mercedes-Benz EQS, we can expect the S800 to be equipped with impressive performance specs. With a price range between $1.5 million, Mercedes-Benz EQS, and the most prestigious European luxury sedans. While its price tag may be high, it's a fraction of what you'd pay for a Rolls-Royce or Maybach, which could make it an attractive alternative for buyers seeking luxury at a more attainable price point. And whether it can stand the test of time in the luxury EV market, we'll just have to wait until its 2025 release to see if the Maestro S800 is a true game-changer. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest car reviews and tech innovations. Until next time, this is AutoCove, and I'll see you on the road.